Hello students, welcome back. This is Class 7 Science, chapter number 15, Light. It is lecture number 5. In this video lecture, we will be covering the following topics, starting with number 1, curved mirrors and images. Here we will be discussing about both concave as well as convex mirrors. Then number 2, lenses and images. Similarly, we will be learning about concave and convex lenses. And finally, number 3, colors of light. You might have observed that sometimes image formed by a shiny surface is not exactly same as that of the object. That is, it may be larger or smaller than the object, or upside down, or sometimes even may be distorted. This is because the nature of an image formed also depends on the structure of the reflective surface. How does it occur? To find the answer, let us study image formation by curved shiny surfaces. Curved or spherical mirrors. The mirror having curved shiny surfaces are called curved mirrors. A curved mirror is also called a spherical mirror. It is because it is a part of some sphere. A spherical mirror is taken out as a slice from a hollow sphere of glass and is polished silver on one of its faces. Since there are two faces of this slice and either face can be polished, two different types of spherical mirrors can be obtained. If the outer surface of the slice obtained from a hollow sphere of glass is polished silver, the inner surface behaves as the reflective surface. Such a mirror is called a concave mirror. If you look carefully at this diagram, first thing which you can observe is that this curve is appearing as a part of a sphere. Hence, it is a curved or a spherical mirror. Now, hard surface is the outer surface of this curved mirror which is polished. This makes the inner surface of this curved mirror as the reflective surface. Such types of mirrors, where the outer surface is polished, making the inner surface a reflective one, are called concave mirror. A concave mirror forms image by converging the rays of light after reflection. Students, from our previous video lectures, you all are already aware what are converging rays. Here, in case of a concave mirror, all the incident rays which falls upon the reflective inner surface converges or intersect or meet at a point, making this mirror to be also called as converging mirror. If the inner surface of the slice obtained from a hollow sphere of glass is polished silver, then the outer surface behaves as the reflective surface. The mirror is known as a convex mirror. What we did for concave mirror was to polish the outer surface. Now, in that curved mirror, if we polish the inner surface, then automatically the outer surface becomes or acts as the reflective surface. Such types of mirrors are called convex mirrors. Here, the inner surface is polished and the outer surface acts as the reflective surface. A convex mirror forms image by diverging the rays of light after reflection. Again, from our previous videos, we are aware what divergent rays are. In convex mirror, the outer surface acts as the reflective surface. All the incident rays after striking on this reflective surface get deflected into different directions. Hence, such mirrors are also called as diverging mirrors. Let us now discuss more about the images formed by a concave mirror. The size of image formed by a concave mirror can be smaller or larger or the same size as the object. It depends on the position of object in front of the concave mirror. For most of the positions, it is upside down, that is, inverted, and can be obtained on the screen. We know such images are called real image, except at the position when the object is placed very close to the mirror. This is the picture which depicts the inverted or upside down image of a girl which is formed on a concave mirror. On similar ground, let us now discuss the images formed by a convex mirror. The image formed by a convex mirror at any of the positions of the object from the mirror is always the same. That is, the image is virtual and erect. The size of the image is smaller than that of the object. In this picture, you can see the image of the same girl which we saw in concave mirror earlier as erect image, because this image this time is obtained on a convex mirror. In convex mirror, the position of the image is behind the mirror. Uses of spherical mirrors. One by one, let us look at some of the uses of both concave as well as convex mirrors. Let us start with concave mirrors. Concave mirrors are used as number 1, reflectors in solar furnaces to attain temperature up to 1000 degree Celsius for various industrial processes. Number 2, reflectors in torches, headlights of vehicles, telescopes, microscopes, etc. A dentist's mirror to see an enlarged image of the tooth. Number 4, makeup mirrors at beauty parlors. Number 5, shaving mirrors by the barbers. You can see in all these pictures, concave mirrors are used in one or the other way. The main purpose to use concave mirrors is to enlarge the appearance of the object, be it is used in a torch, a vehicle headlight, a dentist tool, makeup mirror, or the shaving mirrors at barber shop. After discussing some uses of concave mirror, let us now discuss about convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used number 1 for vigilance at big shops and warehouses. Number 2, as side mirrors or rear view mirrors in vehicles. We have already read about the term rear view mirror while discussing about the mirror image of the word ambulance. Number 3, as distance view mirrors at the turning points of narrow staircases. In these pictures, you can very easily relate these mirrors are convex mirrors. It can be seen in the vehicles as rear view mirror or in big shopping malls, especially near parking areas or on the highways as the vigilance mirror. Students, so far we were discussing about different types of mirrors, starting from plane mirror, then concave mirror, and finally convex mirror. Along with these three mirrors, we have also discussed the properties of the images formed on them. After mirrors, let us now discuss about lenses. Lenses and images. What is a lens? Lens is a piece of a transparent medium. It can be glass, plastic, etc., which is bounded by two curved surfaces. A magnifying glass is a type of lens. Lenses are of two types. A lens which has a bulge at the center and is narrow towards the edges is called a convex lens. In this diagram, you can check the two curved surfaces are bulging out. It is a convex lens. It is also converging in nature. That is, the light rays after penetrating through convex lens get converged at a point. Hence, it is also known as converging lens. A lens which has inward curves, that is thin at the center and thick towards the edges, is called a concave lens. If you will carefully look at this lens, you can very easily figure out it is thinner or narrow at the center and thicker at the edges. Students, this lens also diverges the rays that pass across it. Hence, it is also known as diverging lens. You can see the two curved surfaces are curved towards inward. Uses of lenses. Let's now discuss some uses of concave and convex lens. Concave lenses are used in spectacles to help people see distant objects clearly. Convex lenses are used in cameras of all types except a pinhole camera. Convex lenses are used in telescopes, microscopes, magnifying glasses, and in spectacles to help people see nearby things clearly. Do light also has some colors? Let's find it out in our next heading, that is colors of light. You must have seen a rainbow in the sky after rainfall, from where the spell of colors arrange beautifully in an arc thrown in the sky. Light is made up of seven colors. The light splits or break up into seven colors when it passes through a prism. Let's try and understand what actually happened. We receive sun rays from sun. The sunlight is also known as white light. On entering the glass prism, this white light gets splitted into its constituent colors. Namely, these are seven colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are the same colors which you have also observed while looking at a rainbow. The splitting of light into seven colors is called dispersion. The band of seven colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, obtained as a result of dispersion, is known as spectrum. All these seven colors which we just saw are arranged in a continuous pattern. If we take the initial alphabet from all these colors, then we get this acronym as VIBGYOR. Thus, a rainbow is formed due to dispersion of sunlight from water droplets, which behaves as small prisms, and sky behaves as a screen. Similarly, the colors of the surfaces of oily water, soap bubbles, and CDs are due to dispersion or splitting of light by their surfaces. Their surfaces split the light into seven colors, just like a prism. Students, that was all about today's topics. Let us first discuss the solutions of homework questions which were based on the topics taught in lecture number 3. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The vehicle going in front of the ambulance could read it correctly from its rear view mirror. Number 2. The phenomenon in which left appears to be right and vice versa is called lateral inversion. Question number 3, multiple choice question. We see our dash image in a plane mirror. Option D, virtual image. Question number 4, right. First part, two uses of plane mirror. Answer. Number 1, plane mirrors are used as looking glasses. Number 2, they are used for making kaleidoscope and periscope. Question number 4, second part, two differences between real and virtual images. Answer. We have tabulated the differences between real and virtual images. Real image. Number 1, the image formed on a screen is called real image, whereas virtual image, the image which cannot be formed on a screen, is called virtual image. Point number 2, example of real image, the image that we see in a movie hall, whereas example of virtual image, when we see ourselves in a plane mirror. Now, let us note down the questions for homework which are based on the topics we just discussed in lecture number 5. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, white light splits into dash colors. Number 2, the band of 7 colors obtained as a result of dispersion is known as dash. Multiple choice question. Dash mirror forms an image by converging the rays of light after reflection. Option A, convex lens. Option B, convex mirror. Option C, concave mirror. Option D, concave lens. Question number 4. Right. Part 1. Two uses of curved mirrors. Point number 2. Two differences between concave and convex lenses. That's all for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.